My name is Dr.Flezzy, and I'm here to call on the good-hearted people of South, good-hearted people of Nigeria, and good-hearted people all over the world that in any way you can, just put your hand to support people when we say this flood affects in your local government, in your town, in your community, in your state, in your country. Anything, whether a carton of biscuits, if you just go give any of them at this particular time for this unexpected disaster, anything when if you just do and come off for body, do and give them. Because if I tell you what human beings they pass through like this, all this one we talk about anxiety and depression ever these past years. This one they follow the reason now. So we pass anxiety, pass depression, pass any kind of mental illness you can think about. This is physical illness, physical sickness. When we say papa no fit control, mama no fit control, anything una fit do for flood victim now, I beg una in the name of Ogene, make una do am. Anything una fit share. If you dey island, know very well say you are in position to help flood victim already. If you are in anywhere that is not water casted, like if water never cast your hand, just know that you are a helper to any flood victims. Every flood victim, I beg, any kind of thing you fit do for them. Now to hug themselves, just go make you hug them. Because things when they go through now, auto when they touch person for heart, I beg, anything we na fit do to support people when they are affected by this flood. Wawo ko gene biko. Wawo ke to akpo, wo ko genovu. Biko I don't put up since I don't get calls about my place when I put up for IDP camp for people when they displaced by the flood for Dr.Flezzy Lane, old Ekigbo Road, after Ekigbo Grammar School, Ekigbo Delta State, Acre Ughelli. It dey right now. Anybody won't put up, if you just go there, go set up or do anything for inside the house or anything when you want to, but shall make it just save your head. So decide that one. If you want to go Ughelli, you want to go my side for Ughelli and you dey stranded, I see just make sure say 2K for each family. When we say one still cross go that side, I go still voltage that one. And my honorable friend, don't even to say if na palliative, all the people from a constituency from a one, if they dey my place for Ughelli, they go still give them palliative and everything when we say they need to take sustain for the Ughelli life. Those are the information when we say I get this money like this. And I see they call on everybody. Anything when if you do for area, do it. Now that area need you. Since now you need the area, but now area need you. I use God beg everybody. Me not gonna worry because what down one. I don't already try. This will not be with anybody plan. Make we support everybody. Make we carry each other along. It's not upon our now because make we not do for us. I beg. I don't see call the government, but the government and their PA and the SSA and the rest people when we say our honorable governor Ifeanyi Okonwa send go forward. They don't set up IDP clamps. IDP clamps here. Even anymore, but don't they set up things? Don't they give palliative? You understand? But we see they encourage them, make them do more because if we not give IVA, they may not because so they are trying their own best way, but we don't know how their side be because the thing when they do man to do everybody, we don't know how their condition be for the government. If you be saying all day, you understand? Because most of what they feel like all the big money they cover television are just make believe na television trick. If you not really or if you not really rich like that, or they don't call the budget finish, if you not really they reach their hand. So anything they fit do, we are happy say they go do, but when they just try to do something for anybody where we say they fit do for. These days go still pass. Life go still sweet. But for now, we could just support each other. I beg. Abeg, most importantly the flood victims, make we support them. Abeg, thank you. Wakobiru, Wamingo, Pakome, Mingo, 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 Mingo,